Hello guys and girls, welcome. So today we're going to talk about how broken YouTube is right now. It is so many things you can do and finagle with your numbers and stuff like that. So I've been curious, my channel has been organically growing for, I don't know, almost a decade, like 8 years, 9 years. And meaning that I have produced videos and wanted to have subscription and viewers. I have just reached 175,000 viewers and I'm very happy for that. Everything is due to just elbow grease and just trying to make good content for you guys. So, but that made me think. I've watched a lot of other videos of other people making videos in my genre blowing up, and I'm like thinking, why is it like that? Why do some blow up and some just stay behind? Like, when I compare myself to others, I feel like my growth isn't good enough. And yeah, I wander into a dark place on the internet. It's not so dark. You can Google it and you can find places where you can get subscription growth and viewers growth. So I went to two of these places, and one of the places asked for $30, 30 euros or something like that for 1,000 views. So I tried that, and I can see my numbers are growing. They are almost fulfilled, like one day after I paid it. So it seems to work, but will YouTube hit me back? Will they punish me for using stuff like that? I don't know. The pages say that are Google partners. Both the places, the one I paid $30 for do not have Trustpilot. The other one have. I have tools in my disposal with what I have used. YouTube Buddies. I think it's YouTube Buddies. I have to check it out, but yeah, it's something about buddies and YouTube. Probably YouTube Buddies. Anyways, and it's a very powerful tool, but it demands of you to use a lot of time and energy to find the best tags and stuff like that in your videos, and it works. I can see one of my videos where I reacted to Warhammer Total War 3. When I changed up my keywords, the tags, 2-3 taglines, I could see a birch right afterwards of people that was searching for that word. So using TubeBuddy to understand what people are searching for and implement it in my videos helps the growth. But there's when it comes to videos, you need to, especially reaction videos and stuff like that, I feel like you have a very narrow window where you can grow very much if you are reacting to music or to games. If you want that, when it's very fresh and everybody wants to watch it. So you have a very narrow gap of making the video first of all and get it out and have a good tagline, thumbnail, everything like that. And there's a lot of things that can be improved on. I'm the first one to admit that my editing style, there's a lot of things that I can do better on the channel. But despite all that, when I compare myself to channels that I feel are very similar to myself, that are not high-end producing, I'm not going to name drop channels, but there are people that have over 100,000 subscribers that are doing miniatures and hobby videos. I'm not comparing myself to them, but they have to start somewhere, and how did they blow up so fast, in a much lesser time than I did and stuff like that. And I'm not saying that they are using, like optimization tools, internet viewers, gadgets and stuff like that. I'm not saying that, but it makes me wonder, because it's something I see in myself when I want to watch videos. I go for the numbers. So if people have like 1,000 views, I think, oh, it's more worth my time, so I click on that. But I very often find myself enjoying videos that have like 20 views, more. Videos that are more real. So it makes me wonder, the one that I clicked on that have 1,000 or something like that in numbers, is that inflated numbers or are they real numbers? And no, I have done it to myself with this channel. Everything has been real up to now, and now I'm inflating my numbers. On one video I have is about my collection of Britannia. I had like 200 and something views before I started this experiment, and I bought it 1,000 more views because I think that video is worth getting out to people. So if that can generate the trust people need to watch it, it has to be over 1,000 viewers. It's a hypothesis. It's what it's a theory from my side, and I don't know. I have no clue. So this is going to be like an experiment, like everything in my channel. It's an experiment. It's dicey. I'm just throwing out some dice and hope I luck out on something. And as a content creator, a YouTuber, that really, I find myself chasing the views, chasing the subscription, and I'm just going to be open with it and just tell everybody about it. Probably not going to bite my ass. Like, yeah, it probably is. I don't know, but yeah, hey, I'm just upfront with it, and I'm just telling it how it is. So going through this emotion and this experience I feel right now, I don't, like everybody else, you justify your own things, but you condemn with others do the same thing. So I keep on justifying why I'm doing this, but I would like people doing that, I would prefer people to lie to me, to be honest, and not tell it honest like this, because fudging the numbers is, I don't feel very good about it. It's one of the things I have in YouTube up till now is honor, and now it's gone and I can't get it back, and it feels bad. It kind of feels bad. I have to be upfront about that. Does it really matter? I don't know. Hopefully people that are subscribed and watch my stuff regularly are going to keep on. I'm going to use that tool more. No, I don't think so. But I think I need to put in a little bit more hours into YouTube Buddy. I think it's called that. Links is going to be downstairs for that one. It has a very powerful tool when it comes to what you want in your taglines. Optimize. You can compare yourself to other channels and see what taglines they're using and stuff like that. And it's a better tool because you are putting in your hours and you are using all this stuff, like the bells and whistles around the content is important too. Is it the most important? I don't think so. I think the most important thing in a channel is the person in front of the camera. So I have to be interesting. I have to do stuff that are fun to watch. But everything else, somebody has to watch it also. So it's like a give and take thing. So where do I land on all this? I don't know. Am I going to judge others for using like getting viewers, pay for viewers? I don't know. If you are, there is a plan where I can go in and have somebody review my channel and stuff like that. So if you are now at the end of this episode and you actually want to see me dive even go darker into this dark woods of internet, I could go in and make them look at my channel and give. They are going to then give me, they say 35 minutes video review of my channel and what's on it and stuff like that. It's going to be very interesting. So if you want to, yeah, comments down below, and you know, if one person says yay, do it, I'm probably going to do it. All thanks to you know, my Patreons. My Patreons are the guys, hopefully in the future girls too, that are helping me out making bad decisions and not taking the precaution of it, and try to find out how to break YouTube and make it work for our favor. So yeah, anyways, thank you all for watching. So a big thank you to Kenneth, Andreas, Daniel, Andreas, Dave, Hans Albert, XNX Tabletop Gaming, Play It, Paint It, and Warboss Tay. You are the best. Thank you so much for the support.